Good day and welcome everyone. It's Marlena-Abundance. Super excited and grateful just to share with you for a moment. So on my personal page on YouTube, I've been doing Manifest Blessed with Marlena. And I told you there's really nothing to teach because we manifest effortlessly all day long. But if you are used to doing my 1-minute meditations that I did a while back, I want to encourage you just to take just a little bit over a minute and have this non-resistant thought of thank God, an abundance of customers, team members, money is always showing up for me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Can you do that? Just whenever you think about it and just have some fun, guys, okay? We're always, always, always manifesting effortlessly. So when you have to start giving it thought and attention and all that, excessive energy, you're just like choking your manifestations and blocking them from getting to you. So just be light, be easy, let it flow from a place of grace and ease and fun and effortlessness, okay? So if you'll go about enjoying your life, you'll just see wonderful miracles and amazing things show up, okay? So I'm here to shift the frequency of the planet with love and gratitude. So what I do is I just fill my heart, my mind, my soul, my being with love and gratitude, and I just radiate that out to the world, to the universe, and just focus on having fun. And so, August through December have always been my harvest seasons from the seeds that I've sown earlier in the year. So right now is the time to start sowing those seeds for 2023 as well. So none of us are ever promised tomorrow, but we can do what we can today for a better 5 minutes from now, okay? So thank God, an abundance of customers, team members, and money is always showing up for me, okay? Thank you, thank you, thank you. So have some fun with that. Let me know how I can help you, 618-223-6006. Have yourself a fantastic day, and take time for your family, okay? We're all passing through. Everything else is temporary. Work can wait. Prioritize your life and make people a priority. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love you guys. Best to you. Have a wonderful day.